Today we're heading out to the province, so to get to South Bus Station we had to take a jeepney. Well, we don't have to, but we chose to take a jeepney. This is the way they travel a lot in the Philippines, a lot of the locals. Very inexpensive way to travel. How much does it cost to get to South Bus? How much is it?
20?
20 pesos each?
Yes.
So 40 pesos, less than $1 to go 5 kilometers, 6 kilometers through heavy traffic. So it's a good deal. We'll hit back with you when we get to the bus station. We're heading out to Carcar. Leg space.
Struggling.
Not foreigner size.
Not foreigner size. Yeah, we'll eat later. You want a chicken? Hello, so we are here in Carcar. So we are in Manginasal and then we eat here for lunch. So what did you order?
Chicken inasal with rice and a drink. 182 pesos, and of course, halo for you.
Yeah, I'm not hungry. I just want to eat something cold.
90 pesos. You just want to eat something sweet. It's like cold, sweet. You're making an excuse to have ice cream.
Also have ice
So altogether, it's 272 pesos.
Yes.
But she'll convert and put up there. And then edit, just put the price up there. So we're just waiting for that to show up now. The bus we took on the way here was not a foreigner-sized bus. It was very small. Ready? Alright, so it's ready. So you're going to go up and get it now. It didn't take very long. But the bus on the right here is pretty cramped. It was very full. One thing you'll notice when you ride the buses here, this is an open air bus, which is fine with me. I don't need the aircon. You get going, you get a pretty good breeze. It's just they really pack them in. And this one had about that much leg room. So
Thank you.
there's a 3-seater on the side we were on. And it really wasn't conducive to anybody that's over 5'4". So, thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Alright, so
I like it.
halo. That's a pretty good looking halo. Halo means stir. So you know she's got to stir it up.
Steer.
Put a whole bunch of stuff in it, and then I had the chicken inasal and the rice. Alright, so we're gonna eat, and then we'll get back with you later. No need for them to watch us eat.
Huh?
No need for them to watch us eat. Hey.
Angry. We are just finishing up our lunch. We will now grab a trike and head to my province home. The fee for the trike was 15 pesos. You can see the traffic in Carcar is pretty busy. It is mostly trikes and motorcycles. The driver is going to drop us off near a path that cuts through the field to my home. Thank you. Hi.
Back in my army day,
Army day.
this is how you cut through
You go first.
and you go to the province. Well, you gotta talk.
Yes.
Just record me a lot.
So Carcar is a big province. So I grow up here, and yeah, we're just walking, going to our house. And as you can see, there's a, how do you call the one, babe?
I thought you called it a caribou.
Carabao?
Caribou, is that what you call
Carabao?
What-
Baka.
it? What do you call it?
In Bisaya, baka. You say it. Baka.
Baka.
Baka. So Eric is not wearing his shoes. He's wearing a sleeper. Very nice here. It's beautiful. A lot of trees. There are many trees. Coconut tree, banana, mango tree. You want to ride it?
Nope.
When I was young, I ride it.
Horns.
Huh?
Don't mess with the horns. He gets angry, he'll.
When I was little, I ride it.
I used to ride pigs when I was little.
Really? No?
Pigs.
No, we never ride a pig. Bless ba? Ah, bati agnaw ni mo Justin. Taas eh. Naman ni handol. Handol. Boy. Pig. Chickens. And chicken.
From the outside bathroom.
The bathroom.
Yeah, it's outside. That's province life. You
Yes.
shower out here?
Yes, we
says
shower
there's a
inside.
Inside there, right. That's what I'm
Yes.
saying. It says there's your bathroom.
Chicken.
and shower.
Boom. Sliding window. Sliding door.
Showering door. Yeah, province.
Yeah.
Province bathroom. This is common. I knew your mom would yell at me when I tried to help.
It's my mom. Say hi kuno sa mong vlog. Kahoy ba? Usa kahoy kahoy ra.
Say tabi-tabi po.
Tabi-tabi po.
Tabi-tabi po. When you watch it, huh?
So, ay, Anjali. You. Say it. That's baboy.
I had that voice.
Huh?
I had that voice. Along with the piggery we just showed you, Micah's uncle also has a business in the back of this home where he constructs coffins. The funeral homes will place mass orders for a certain number of coffins, and they also have people come and buy directly. So if they have a loved one passed away, they can go there and choose a specific coffin. All of these are handmade. He takes great pride and great care in making these. They're quality construction. He also has a guard goat on staff just to protect the coffins from intruders.
In the province, we don't use washing machine. We prefer hand wash our clothes. To dry them, we take them outside and let them dry by the sun. We do this once a week. Normally, we wash it 2 hours. It depends how many clothes you need to wash.
We hang these like this in America, in the country, not in the city.
In America? Really?
In the country, you have clotheslines. Yeah, they smell better, but we don't hand wash them. Some people will wash them in a machine.
Yes.
Take them outside and hang them up.
Yes.
Because the fresh air makes them smell good when they dry. Not in the city though. That's from a country boy.
Eric has puppy.
Little puppy province. Province puppy.
Yeah.
But you're staying in the province. You can't come back to the city. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're sad. It's okay. Come on, estamos. But you have to answer me. But they have to answer me in English.
Yeah, English ko na answer ko na English. Tadluan ako siya, gamay. Itadluan ako siya. Dad, kumusta mo?
Kumusta mo?
Kumusta mo? Ito ba gamay na na okay ra? Okay ra. I'm fine. Ano say alpha? I'm fine. Alpine ka pa. Laika, wajud na hinom laika. Oh, bitaw na hinom. Kat-kat ng jiboy ko. Ha? Ano na jiboy? Joe? Tas Boracay. Huh? In this part of this video, my family is joking around about having Eric's son, Joe, marry my cousin Shane. Joe is here to visit for 2 weeks. We filmed a vlog of Highland hopping. All my Filipino friends were asking me if Joe is single. For you expat or foreigners coming to the Philippines, it is not hard to find a beautiful Filipina who is willing to talk to you or date you. But remember, we don't date for fun. Alright, that's all for today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy watching. Goodbye!
Now let's see what else we have back here in the province life.